Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. It is Wednesday, January 18th. Today we are going to take a look at Intel is out of the information technology sector. Let's jump right into the video. And the products that Intel, actually, if you want to know more about them, check them out at www.intel.com. That is their homepage where I pulled this information from. I just wanted to pull up some of the products. Obviously, if you've used a computer, a lot of times you'll see a sticker on the front of it. It says Intel inside. That's because they provide the processors, the graphic chips inside the system device. And that's what they do. They provide chips, right? Processors, chipsets, system devices, laptops, desktops, workstations, right? Graphic processing units, GPUs, servers, memory and storage, FGPAs and programmable devices, right? Wireless products, ASICs, network communications, and I/O. So they are basically, a processing and computer chip manufacturer. That's what they provide. They not only provide their own, but I believe they're currently building a facility in Ohio where they will build processing chips for other companies as well. So they are expanding their reach a little bit. And again, if you want to know more about them, www.intel.com. You can check them out there. We will jump over to why we are looking at them today. They were down 2.67% on the day. We are talking about Intel Corporation, ticker INTC, out of the information technology sector. They closed out the day at $28.81. 52-week range as low as 24.59, as high as 54.85. So they are closer to that 52-week low, but I would love them to drop back down into this 24.59 range. Average volume of 37.8 million. Today was 41 million. So more volume today, all right, buying and selling today than normal, but it looks like it was more selling than buying. Market cap of 118.899 billion, a beta of 0.76, so they are less volatile than the overall market. A PE is extremely low, 8.92. Earnings per share is nice at $3.23 per share. Next earnings date is coming up on the 26th of January. Their forward dividend is $1.46. That is quarterly, so we'll see the quarterly breakdown. I do have a position in this, so we'll see my position here in a minute. Nice dividend yield at 4.82%. Again, if they pulled back closer to this 52-week range, that would be a little higher of a yield. The dividend yield is inversely correlated to the stock price. So as the stock price goes up, the yield goes down, and reverses when the stock price goes down, the yield goes up. And that's if they don't cut the dividend or something along those lines, right? Ex-dividend date, the last one was November 4th, so they should have one coming up in February, I believe. And their one-year target estimate, at least according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information. I am not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just a source I like to look at. They have a one-year target estimate for the stock price of $29.96. So it does speak to some upside appreciation potential, but not a whole lot here. Excuse me. Now, I always recommend looking at more than one source for information. So another one I like to look at is stockanalysis.com. Again, you pick the sources you like. Just make sure you're always looking at more than one so you can verify the information that you are getting is accurate. Still looking at Intel Corporation, ticker INTC. And out of the 49 stock analysts that stockanalysis.com has had look at this, they have landed on a consensus hold. I will jump over the reason why. They actually see a potential low of $18.18. Now, this would be a new 52-week low, as we saw on the previous slide. The current 52-week low is in the mid $24 range. So if it dropped way back down here to $18.18, that would be a 36.9% decrease in stock price. And to be honest with you, I'd probably buy another 100 shares and add to my position. The average estimate is $30.56. This is very close to what we saw on the previous slide that Yahoo Finance had. That would be a 6.07% increase in the stock price. And if it happened to hit their high estimate of $70.46, this would be a new 52-week high. I think the one we saw on the previous page was around 58 or 54 maybe. But this would be a new 52-week high, and that would be a 144.57% increase in the stock price. Now we will take a quick look at my position here. Again, still talking about Intel. I do have 134.625 shares. My cost basis is 27.93, so I am up slightly on this one, up 3.21%. I actually like it below this cost basis. I've been buying anytime it drops below my cost basis, so currently it needs to drop a little bit more for me to want to add some more here. I have $3,759.43 into this. It's currently worth $3,878.55. So again, would love to add more. Just want it to pull back a little bit more, and I'd be interested in adding more. Quarterly payer, as we saw before, 0.365 cents. Payout ratio is low, 44.20%, with a decent dividend growth of 5.04%. That is Intel. Let me know what you think. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. It really does help me out. Go ahead and do that now. Let's take a moment, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of Intel. Are there other chip manufacturers that you like better? I would love to hear your opinion. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down below. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We will see you in the next one. Hope you are having a great week. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice counsel of a certified financial advisor.